Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of videos about the top reasons eBay dropship sellers get banned, so that once you know these beginner mistakes, you can make sure that you don't make the same mistakes. This week's quick video is video number 2, and if you missed the first video showing the number 1 reason that eBay dropship sellers get banned, I'll put a link at the end of this video. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for 24 years, and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. This week's quick video is the number 2 biggest reason eBay dropship sellers get banned. And again, once you know these reasons sellers get banned or suspended, you can make sure that you set up your dropship business for the long haul so that you don't get suspended or banned. Okay, the number 2 reason eBay dropship sellers get banned is what is known in the industry as zip code mismatch. What this fancy name means is shipping from a different zip code or postcode than the one shown in your eBay listing. Many eBay dropship beginners just use their home postcode as a dispatch postcode and not the postcode of their supplier. The reason that eBay doesn't like this is eBay buyers get upset when they look at an item on eBay and see that it's coming from, say, Melbourne, Australia. But when they get the tracking number, suddenly the item is being shipped or coming from another location or another state. This issue is normally caused by sellers using their default home postcode as the shipping location and not the location of where the item is being shipped from, i.e. their supplier. What most new eBay sellers don't realize is that you can set the postcode for each individual listing to show where the item is being shipped from. You can have a different postcode for each individual listing. Let me show you. From the eBay homepage, click on My eBay, then Selling Sold, then Listings, then Active, then click on the Edit button next to one of your listings. Now scroll down to near the bottom of the listing, and here you can change the postcode for this one individual listing to where the item is being shipped from. If you'd also like to see last week's video showing the number 1 reason eBay dropship sellers get banned, I'll put a link up here and I'll also put a link at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.